I'll link it down below Dave's Facebook. You can keep a track of where he's at, and then maybe ask him some questions.
Awesome.
All right, on the road. So we're just here with Dave, side of Gorge Road, and on the Tarmac SL6. So pump up a bit of air of the tyre, and it's gonna be luggage there. We've got the thongs, the flip flops are handy.
You've got to have the flip flops, the double pluggers.
Yeah. How's the weather been so far?
Yeah, it's a bit cold last night, but generally it's been pretty good.
Yeah.
I think I'm lucky that I'm a couple of days behind everyone else. Well, more than a couple of days now, because they've had worse weather up front than I've had.
Yeah, luck of the draw, isn't it?
Yeah. We had a couple of hot days, but generally pretty good.
Yeah. And the Specialized saddle been going alright?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, much more comfy than the saddle I had.
Yeah.
When I did the Mount Magnet 1400, it was a bit of a test run. And this saddle was one of the results of doing that. Right, I changed the saddle. This is much more comfortable.
Yeah.
Not getting the same sore spots.
Just got to try it out. See what you like.
No, I'm loving it.
Yeah, very good.
Already looking forward to Indipac 2020.
Very good. White sauce with the Specialized bags on there, front rear, the IPWR on the front.
Yeah.
Yep. Very good.
Bit of a combo. Right.
Got the Roubaix tyres on there. Only one flat tyre, you said?
Correct.
Yep.
Yep. It's been good.
And the Specialized touring body geometry shoe there, a good one. And the Shimano mountain bike pedals, handy.
Probably the best gem of all is the SOL Deluxe dyno hub on the front that generates the power for me.
Yep.
There's no resistance. Spin that front wheel if you like. It's ridiculous. There's no resistance, no clunking. And at 12 kilometres an hour it starts to produce power.
Yeah, wow, that is very shrewd. Is that a new one?
Yeah.
Is it a Sun?
Yes, SON Deluxe or Sun Deluxe, yeah. It's just magic. I think it's only been out a couple of months.
Really?
And it's ridiculously light.
Jeez.
It's just magic. I reckon within 12 months, probably. I reckon a lot of endurance riders will switch to it.
Yeah, wow.
Because I had a lot of negative feedback about hubs, and a lot of riders were going electric instead because the hubs weren't that great. But this thing, why wouldn't you use it?
Yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's very smooth.
You can't see a downside to it.
It's great.
The whole bike setup's just mechanically, it's just been perfect.
Yeah.
I wouldn't change a thing for the next, if I do this again, there's just nothing mechanically I'd change.
Yeah. Very nice.
Really good. Very happy.
Very good.
Thank you, Lakes Bikes.
Lakes, where are they? Lakes Bikes in Perth?
In Perth, yeah, in Success.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Tony and the team there have done a fantastic job. Helped research for me and come up with different ideas, and we talked about different options, and it was probably a lot of time planning and thinking through, and then when we ordered it and put it all together, it just worked really well.
Very good.
It's just a dream. And the bike's so light.
Yeah.
All packed up, ready to go. Without water, it's 15 kilos.
Jeez.
That's insane.
That's good.
I've probably got more gear than I need. I'm quite conservative.
Sometimes it's better stuff, especially when the weather turns to shit.
Yeah, well that's it. Yeah,
Very good.
and I'm lucky enough to be strong enough to be able to climb with the extra couple of kilos.
Yeah.
It's not going to bother me.
Yep.
If I was a little bloke, I think it'd be a big problem, but you know, my FTP is 340.
Yep.
So another couple of kilos doesn't bother me.
Yeah. Very good.
So yeah, I'm stoked.
What tips would you have for anyone who wants to do Indipac next year?
Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it.
Yeah.
There's no reason not to.
Yeah.
Just, if you've got the opportunity, you just get out there and do it.
Yeah. Do a few mini tours before maybe.
Yeah, definitely got to get your fitness built up. Otherwise, you just have injury. You'll be disappointed. But you've got a year to get going. Maybe do a 1500k ride, 2 or a 3-day ride to test your kit. That's important. I mean, the traditional Indipac used to have qualifiers. I think you had to do, was it 800k's in 2 days or something? So I'd suggest you want to do something like that. But just plan it. You've got a year to get ready for it and just do it.
Very good.
Even if you only get as far as Adelaide or, you know, the border or something, it doesn't matter. It's still awesome.
Yeah, time in the saddle.
Yeah.
Experience to remember for life.
Yeah. Like crossing a Nullarbor, riding through the night, seeing the stars. That's just something you just can't do any other way.
Spiritual, isn't it?
Oh, it's magic. Just magic.
It is.
And just time to stop and smell the roses is great.
Yeah.
Whoop whoop.
Very
Absolutely.
Good, cheers, man.
Thanks, guys.